Crude oil, daily forecast, May 21st, FXEmpire.com. The crude oil markets and the light sweet crude in particular that you're looking at now, as you can see, had a nice little gain during this session on Monday. Uh, we initially fell, but you can see it was a nice recovery at about 95.20 or so as we plowed towards 97. Going forward, though, the biggest problem we have is there isn't a whole lot of room to move. We see resistance right here based upon previous price action, especially at the 98 handle. And then the problem with that is if we get through there, we see significant resistance at 99. We are starting to head into the quote unquote driving season in the United States, and traditionally this is a strong time of the year for the market, but gasoline prices typically drag oil prices higher. What happens though, quite often, is we get into the month of June and everybody takes their profits and the markets sag again. So, having said that, it is a little bit difficult to go long of this market right now. And because of that, we quite frankly think there are easier trades out there, and we'll probably sit on the sidelines on this one. You could probably make a stronger argument for Brent, although it has to be thought of in relative terms. The Brent markets formed a better looking candle. It's a hammer for the Monday session. And it did clear the 105 level, which of course is psychologically significant. So there is the possibility that comes into play. However, that being said, we can see where 106 will be a problem, and then 107 going all the way at about 110. So at this point in time, a break higher, more than likely, and it does look like we've got pressure to the upside, more than likely will offer a buying opportunity, but a very short term one. Alternately, though, if we manage to break the bottom of this candle, that's a very bearish sign, and at that point in time, we would be willing to go ahead and short this market as it would be with the overall trend that we've seen recently, although it has been a nice channel that we've been climbing lately. That channel, of course, is one of the only reasons that we're even considering the possibility of going long, just because it looks like that pressure's there. But in the end, it will come down to supply and demand, and we'll see. We'll see what happens. But we've got the possibility of a small move up or a bigger move down.